I'm finna get ready to show you guys how to install a PCV valve for a 2009 Scion XB. First, we're gonna have what we have here, a top cover, and we're gonna take the screws out of it, which would be a 10 millimeter. So we have a 10 millimeter here, and it fits directly on there, and you could take the bolts out with the 10 millimeter. Then you pull the cover, set it to the side. Okay, now your PCV gonna sit to the left side of your motor if it's a 2009, and it have two clamps on it. One at the top here, which connects to the PCV, and then one at the bottom. You need to take both of them loose because trying to take the one off at the top is gonna be hectic, because once it been stayed on there so long, then it sticks to the PCV. So what we're gonna need here is a 7/8 or either a 22 millimeter in order to change this ear out. So we're gonna be using a 7/8. And that's, by the way, it's a 7/8 deep socket, or 22 millimeter deep socket. Okay, we're gonna pull it out and we're gonna check it. And if you can hear it rattle, it still worked pretty good, but it's been on there ever since we had the car, so I'm gonna switch it out. So we have our new one here, and I'm gonna look at it and match it up, make sure it's the correct one, and we're gonna install it. Got to make sure that you put it in correctly where you won't cross thread it. Okay. I want to make sure it's good and tight. Okay. Now, let's check it one more time, make sure that it's good and tight, because that is a must. Okay, she's good and tight. Now, what you do is you connect your bottom hose back, and then have a clamp on both ends. So you're slide your hose on, push it down, make sure your clamp is on there correctly, and you connect back to your PCV. Make sure it's all the way up on there. Okay, then you take your other clamp and you bring it forward. So now it won't come forward. What you do is just take your screwdriver and get behind it and push forward on it and wiggle it till she come up on there. It's gonna be tight. Once you get it up on there, that's it. It's in. Okay, everyone, as you can see, we got the PCV installed. We done connected all the hoses back. Now it's time to put the cover back on. I took and got a wet towel and I cleaned the cover up real good. And so we're gonna install it back. So you line up your hose with your screws here, with your bolts. Yeah, just put these back. And like I said, it take a 10 millimeter in order to take these on and off. Tighten this one just a little bit, that way you can have both of them tighten up even. Sorry about that. And don't tighten them too tight because you'll be able to bust your cover. So the PCV is in, hoses is connected back, top back on, you're ready to go. Thank you for watching.